Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Excel for Mac comes in versions like 2016, 2019, and Microsoft 365. Install from Microsoft or the App Store on Mac OS. Your Mac should run Mac OS 10, 14 or later with a 64-bit processor. Open files directly from Finder or from OneDrive to enable autosave. The interface shows the ribbon, toolbars, and the formula bar across the top. Workbook save as XLSX by default, and you can also open XLS and CSV formats. Learn the layout before you start building spreadsheets and entering data. Start by entering numbers and text into cells using the keyboard or mouse. Use Command+C to copy, Command+V to paste, and Command+Z to undo actions quickly. Press Option+Enter to add a new line inside a cell without moving to another cell. Use Shift+Arrow keys to select ranges and Shift+Space to select an entire row. Use Control+Space to select an entire column, then press Command+T to format as a table. Learn these shortcuts to speed up navigation and data entry. Build pivot tables to summarize large datasets and add slicers for interactive filtering. Use XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP to match values across sheets and use SUM, average, and IF for calculations. Employ conditional formatting to highlight trends and data validation to control inputs. Use flash fill to split or combine columns using patterns. Save workbooks to OneDrive or SharePoint to enable autosave and version history. Export sheets as CSV for data exchange, and set print scale to 100%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.